subscribers, welcome back to my channel once again, people. Much love and appreciation as usual. So earlier this morning, people, the Prime Minister of Jamaica and holness had a press conference, or held a press conference, people, where he was talking about all the crime that has been happening in Jamaica. You see me? And one lady went and asked him about COVID and if we are going back on lockdown, and does he have any plans in place so Jamaica can, fight COVID, because the cases are going up. The numbers are skyrocketing, people, with the Somalian variant. Yeah, man, that's how we call it. So, this is what holness responded in regards to lockdown and COVID and being vaccinated. All right, check it out, people. This is what he had to say.
I have been very clear in Parliament, very clear, absolutely gone overboard to say we are not going back to lockdown. So be calm. And I've said what the strategy is. It is now in your hands. Go and take the vaccine. That is the strategy. We can't hold it down and put an eagle in your hand. If you get sick, you will take that responsibility. There is an option. We have vaccines all over the place. We have sites all over the place. I don't hear one person complain that they can't get the vaccine anywhere. Go and get vaccinated. Argument done.
Yeah, man, people. That's what holness had to say. What them say, government badness. But I think at this point, honestly, people, it sounds like he's just fed up. He's fed up. He's telling people to get vaccinated, and if you get sick, you get sick. If you get dead, you're dead. That's what it sounds like he must say. Because as he said, people are not complaining about they can't find no vaccination site. That is not the problem. The problem is people is not taking the vaccine. And what I'm saying is, you can't really force somebody to do something that they don't want to do. Because now people who has the vaccine is still catching COVID. So the ones them that was against it already is saying to themselves, why we figure take the vaccine if it's still a go make a catch COVID. I say, people, to each their own. You can't force somebody to do something that them don't want to do, and if them don't want to do the vaccine, that's on them. You see me, people? You can't fight somebody for take something that them no want to do and put it on them body. That's their temple. You see me, people? That's all I have to say about that. Let me know in the comment section, people, your thought on the vaccine, and do you think it's right for the government, like, I guess, force people to take it? I don't know. Let me hear in the comment section what your thoughts on this. All right, people? Bless up, much love and appreciation from Yaad and Abroad TV. All right, love you know.